Hi, my name is Allie. Okay, so I'm going to show you the training program that I've been using and to help build my website. And as you can see here, one of my posts from within my website shows up here on the first page of Google. This is one of the ways I'm using to market from within the training program. This is my website here. If you type in Global Dream Builders Cost, so my website here from the post shows up on the first page. Here is an article that I wrote within eZine Articles. Now this is not my website. This is just a simple article that I wrote within eZineArticles.com, and because I used keywords correctly, a certain amount of keywords, phrases correctly, I was able to get found in the search of Google with a simple eZine article on the first page of Google. So that's also possible. It doesn't have to be your website. You can do article marketing by using eZine articles. That can also be done. And as you can see, here's my website. And also another set of keywords that I've been using for my marketing is iMac, and here is my website again on the first page. As you can see, this is page 2 over here. Mine is within the first page, and also with my video is here on the first page, and if you search like before with Global Dream Builders, if you search scam, my video is also on the first page, and here is my website again with Global Dream Builders scam, and my video, like I said, is also on the first page. And the Global Dream Builders cost keyword, like I said, my eZine article is ranking on the first page, and so is my website right here. Now this is all from the training that I've been using from this program. See, Wealthy Affiliate, this is the training right here. This guy here, he was able to quit his job, and he went full-time with affiliate marketing thanks to the training here at Wealthy Affiliate. And this guy, he's from South Africa. See, we have people from all over the world, over 850,000 people within the community. So he's from South Africa, and he recently just started in January of 2018. So he is a new member. He's, relatively young. He just joined, and this is his website right here. His niche is focused on cameras. So this is what his niche is. So he's building his website, information all about cameras, different types of cameras, which one might be best for you, and that's what his niche is. So that's what he's focusing on. That's his way of branding himself. That's his business inside the training. And this is another website here from somebody else. This one here is all about having a business online, how to make money. He has a post here, how to make $600 in a week, and he's basically giving helpful marketing tools, what you can do to make money online, how to get traffic to your website. He has a little bit about that, how to write compelling articles, interesting articles, blogging strategies, and high quality links you can put within the article. What's basically considered quality work and what's not. So see, he's all focused on helping getting traffic to your business online. and that's done by this guy right here. Now he's not really the youngest one out of the bunch within the community, but as you can see, he's made a pretty neat website. I mean, it's all focused on how to make money online. And another person here that's also made a website is, this one's focused on being fired from your job and becoming a affiliate marketer. So his post is basically how you can become an affiliate marketer full-time, and you can be your own boss, and you can have different responsibilities. It's easier if you are your own boss. You don't have to work for somebody else. You can work for yourself. And this is the main page here. This is what you will see when you basically join. There's people, see, it shows what's going on within the community here. It shows that someone just joined the community a minute ago. Someone here just helped someone with their blog post. See, there's people helping other people all the time because it's a community of real people. Everybody tries to help if somebody has a problem. And it also shows those who are joining on this page right now. It says here there's actually over 1 million plus internet entrepreneurs within Wealthy Affiliate, and there's so many more joining every day, every minute. See, as you can see here, it says over 1 million people within the community. So a lot of people, they join here for the training program, and there's a lot of training within here. Here, I'll show you. There's some training here. These are all the live webinars. There's live webinars at least once a week. There's training for your local business, your online business, how to help with affiliate marketing. These are all the live webinars. You can always go back and view these. There's training here. This is where you will start, get traffic, how to build your website, how to make money, mastering social engagement, creating content, how to help your article writing. There is training for your affiliate bootcamp, how to get your business going with your website, keywords. We cover keyword research so you can get ranked organically within Google, meaning you get ranked for free, you don't have to pay for it, and people can find your website, and then you can basically make money from people finding your website for free. And here you have branding yourself through social media. There's training on that. There's training on how to capture referrals, knowing your audience. There's training with Bing, Yahoo, PPC, pay-per-click, campaigns. There's so much on the inside with Wealthy Affiliate to really help you step by step. Videos, learning affiliate marketing, all step by step. Everything here is step by step focused with videos. There's a huge community of people to help if you need help. You can type in here within the search bar if you need to look up something. Works basically the same way as Google. Like, let's say you need some help with adding links to your website from Amazon. So you would simply search that, and people, they have created training already, and you can basically read through it and follow the instructions, and this is how you get help if you need help with something. Just going to the next page here within the training here from building Amazon links. So it's here, see, it shows you some more with how to put in the Amazon links. And this is the keyword research tool that's also within the program. It's Jaaxi. Okay, let's say you want to do a niche around best cameras. like that guy I showed you earlier with the cameras. So you would type in best camera, and see here the keyword best camera has a lot of traffic, but the competition is really high. It's over 300. So that your QRS is your competition. So you would not want to use this keyword because there's too much competition. You would be found on the bottom of Google. So that's not a good keyword to use. So it tells you that by the QRS. So what you might want to use is best camera to buy. That has a low QRS, less than 100. So that would be a great keyword. You have a keyword here. What might be good is best camera lens. See, best camera lens is good because the QRS is less than 100. It's 95, and the traffic is still good. So that's an excellent keyword to use, best camera lens, within the article that you're writing on your website. So see, you can write, basically this guy, he can use those keywords within his article, and he'll have a better chance with ranking on Google all about cameras. So see, you can basically pick any niche that you desire, and there's training focused to help you with marketing online. And there's everything here that you need, possibly, many possibilities. There's, like I said, there's keyword training, there's the affiliate bootcamp, you have keyword research, there is link tracking to see how your links are performing, we have email marketing, there's many different things, like I said. So check out the link below the video. The sign up is free. You can take a free test drive and you can check it out for yourself. And also don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I will be posting on YouTube helpful marketing tips for affiliate marketing. So make sure you subscribe. And check out my link below the video. It's a free sign up. Check out the training on the inside, and you can learn the true art of affiliate marketing. Yeah, so check out the link below the video, and you can learn the true art of affiliate marketing today. So the sign up is free, so check out the link below the video. Thanks for watching.